Geschutswerf apartment by Studio Appelo in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Located in the eastern quays of Amsterdam, the striking 19th-century warehouse of the Geschutswerf sets the scene for this residential transformation. The apartment has been redesigned to meticulously embed within the renovated historic structure, embracing the robust, industrial nature of the state monument. Over the past 30 years, the apartment has been modified and interior layers have been added by different users, leading to a fragmented floor plan. The approach for this project was to strip the space back to its bare bones in order to holistically form a coherent living space, both spatial and technically. In utilizing new sustainable heating and energy systems, we made the space more sustainable and comfortable, whilst liberating the historic fabric to create spaciousness and allowing natural light to bathe the spaces. This leads to a layout that is organized around a single intervention that underlines the quality of the monumental load-bearing structure and provides an open floor plan. By introducing one bespoke, custom-made element, a division is created that provides both cabinets and also forms the demarcation of the secondary functions of the house, consisting of a guest room, storage, and sanitary spaces. Soft curves and a calming palette of earthy greens guide you through the space, creating a fluid and extrovert set of rooms that facilitate the daily habits and flexible wishes of the client. A cathedral-like space to drink a coffee whilst overlooking the canal and zoo, a natural stone kitchen island as a centerpiece for entertaining, and a master bedroom with a bathtub viewing the internal courtyard. By simultaneously considering the pragmatics of the plan as a whole and the beauty of even the smallest details of everyday life, we believe you can achieve a lean building that through careful detailing and craftsmanship brings out the art of the ordinary.